Gikundi kia A kiri na timu ithano na iria hingo ciothe coach wa Stars Ben McCarthy akiaria iguru riakio aratucorera bica ya gikundi kiritu makiria indi riu akiuga marahuthira kanya ga kuonekana ta matari na hinya gucangarara.
We like being the underdog because it's nice to be underestimated, and then we can always surprise everybody on the day of the game. So we know we're going to be up against a team that's really good, irrespective of their first match, the result that they've got, but they're going to come against us with so much to prove, and hopefully the boys will be ready for the challenge and looking to try and surprise themselves.
Timu cia DR Congo, Angola, Zambia na Morocco iricio iri thiini wa grupu ino. Stars kaida-ini gaka ni akeri thutha wa Morocco aria Jumapili thiru kiaro-ini kia Nyayo maguthire Angola na bao 2 hatari macokio maiganainie pointi 3-3. Hwaini wa umuthi thaa 1 Kasarani Stars makiaburana na timu ya Angola.
They play a 3-4-3, 3 attackers, and then they do tend to press teams high, but like I said, for me it's all about focusing on the players and just to stay calm and not panic. If we are more clinical and more secure with ourselves in front of goal, I think we can have a lot of joy, as good as a team that they are. But at the end of the day, we always focus on ourselves and what we do.
Athaki mwena wao makirira a Kenya akuoya ngucanio imwe kwa ihinda.
I said before, it's a matter of teamwork because defending starts on top. So it's everyone involved. So if the concentration is good 100%, everything will be good in every position, from the back to front. Not only for me, but for every player. It's a great platform. Everyone is working hard to make a step.
Kenya iravatara kumatha nari pointi 7 ikoro irina tigiti wa ikireka ria quarter finals igitigaria ngucanio na timu cia Morocco muthi wa kiumia na Zambia oro kiumia kiria kingi. Timu cia mbere 2 oro gikundi ikiingira ikireka ria quarters, nacio ikundi cia A, B na C makiona mweke wa best loser. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Inoro TV, njitagwo Mugure wa Karuiru.